Oh God, please, no! 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 No!
You'll need 40 grit sandpaper, which is pretty coarse. Then you're going to go ahead and need some 80 grit sandpaper, which is finer than 40 grit. And then you're going to need 180, which is finer than all those three. What we're going to be doing with these three sandpapers, three grits, is stepping it up. 40 to shave down the aluminum, and then the 80 grit to get rid of the sand scratches that the 40 grit made. And then once you're done with using the 80 grit, you're going to use the 180 grit to pretty much smoothen it all out.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that?
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
So once you're done doing all your three steps, which is the 40 grit, 80 grit, and 180 grit, this is what you're going to end up with. A nice smooth surface, which looks like nothing ever happened. No curb rash, no nothing. That's how you fix curb rashed wheels. I'll see you next time, guys. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, hit the like button. Peace out.